Hello everybody, my name is Tirmalani Balasnita. My registration number is York 19 CS 1222, and today we are going to discuss about implementation of deadlock avoidance algorithm, that means Banker's algorithm. Today we are going to do this uh, Banker's algorithm in Python, and what is mean by this Banker's algorithm. In this multiple programming environment, there are several processes that may compute for a finite number of resources. A process required resource if the resources are not available at a time, then the process enters the waiting state. Sometimes a waiting process is never again able to the change state because the resource it has requests that are held by the waiting waiting process, and this situation is called as deadlock avoidance is one of the techniques for handling deadlocks. This approach requires that the operating system uh, be given in advance additional information considering which resource a process will request and uses during its lifetime. With this additional knowledge, it can decide for each request whether or not the process should wait. To decide whether the current request can be satisfied or must be delayed, the system must consider the resources currently available, the resource currently allotted to each other, and the further request and the release of each process. Therefore the banker's algorithm is a deadlock avoidance that is applicable to a system with multiple instance of each resource type. And this in this we are having data types as max, available, allocate, need. And now let's go through our code. First, implementation of deadlock avoidance algorithm of Banker's algorithm. Print Balasnehita York 19 CS 1222. Diff 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 Bankers NM allocate max available. If f is equals to 0 into n, then answer equal to 0 into n, indeed equal to index equal to 0, need equal to sorry 0 for I in range m and for I in range n. For I in range n, for j in range m, need ij equal to max ij minus allocation ij. Y equal to 0 for k in range n, for I in range n. If I is equal to 0, then flag equal to 0 for j in range m. if need ij if need ij is greater than available j, then flag equal to 1, break. If flag equal to 0 and index equal to n, then answer index equal to I. Therefore, print p and answer index is visit sept equal to open and close bracket n close bracket. Index equal to index plus 1 for I in range m, available y equal to allocation I, y, print available y and n open and close bracket. If I equal to 1, print open and close bracket. Therefore, print the safe sequence is n. For I in range n, print p answer I except open close bracket end equal to open close bracket print. Next line, process allocation space max space need. For I in range n, print p I n text space and then set open and close bracket. For j in range m, print allocation ij n, print space text comma and open and close bracket. For j in range m, print max ij comma and end open and close. Print t end. For j in range m, print need ij and end open close bracket print 0. N equal to int input enter the number of process. M equal to int input enter the number of resource. Then allocation equal to open close bracket max equal to open close bracket rate allocate hash hashtag allocation equal to 010 200 302 211 002. Then max equal to 753 322 902 222 433. For I in range n, print the number of details of string I plus semicolon j equal to int x. For x in input enter the allocation dot split. K equal to int x. For x in input enter the maximum of split allocation append j max append k. Available equal to int x. For x in input enter the available resources split bankers nm allocation max available. Now I'll be going to explain in simple process about this algorithm. First we have to start the program, then we have to get the values from the resources and process. Then next we have to give the available value. Then after that we have to give we have to find the allocation of the needed values. Then after that we have to check whether it is possible or not to allocate it. Then if it is possible, then we have to give that system is in the safe state. Else if not, we have to give that system is not in the safe state. if if it requires a new request that comes, and then we have to check that whether the system is in safe, or if not, we cannot allow that request. Then we have to stop the code. In this, what is mean by available? The available means which is the vector of length m and which is instant of each resource type available in system. If available j equal to k, then there are k instance of resources type rj available. Then what is mean by max? Max means n into m matrix. That means maximum of instance of resources that each process can be. That means if max ij equal to k, then process pi may request the most of the k instance of resources type rj. Then what is mean by allocation? Allocation means n into m matrix. That means that give instance of resources that types that allocates for the each process. And if allocation ij equal to k, then pi is currently allocated k instance of rj. Then what is mean by this need? That need means that is also an n into m matrix. That is also that instance of each resource type process that may needed more of. If need ij equal to k, then pi may need k more instance of rj to complete its task. Then what is mean by this safe algorithm? The safe algorithm is, first it will let us to work and finish the victory of length m and n respectively, then it installs. After that, work equal to available, then it will finish, then it will be finished. If the safe means, if the safe if the safe means the resources are allocated to pi. If unsafe means the pi must wait and hold the old resource allocation state to restore. And now let's check our output. Enter the number of process. I am giving it as, enter the my number of processes 5. Then enter the number of resources. I am giving it as 3. Then it is asking, enter the details of 0 and enter allocation. Then I am entering allocation as 0 1 0. Next I am giving enter max. I am giving as 7 5 3. Then enter the details of 1, enter allocation. So I am giving it as 2 0 0. Then again it is asking enter max, so I am giving it as 3 2 2. Then again enter the details of 2, enter allocation. Then I am giving it as 3 0 2. Next enter max, I am giving as 9 0 2. Next enter the details of 3, enter allocation. So I am giving it as 2 1 1. Then enter max, I am giving as 2 2 2. Enter the details of 4, when I am entering the allocation as 0 0 2. Then I am giving max as 4 3 3. Then enter the available resources. I am giving as 3 3 2. And I got my P1 is visited 532, P3 is visited 743, P4 is visited 745, P0 is visited 755, P2 is visited 1057. The safe sequence is P1, P3, P4, P0, P2. Therefore, the process allocation max need. Therefore, the process of P0 allocation is 010 and max is 753. Need is 743. And for P1 allocation is 200, max is 322. Need is 122. For P2 allocation is 302 and max is 902 and need is 600. And for the process of P3 the allocation is 211 and max is 222, sorry, and for need is 011. And the process of P4 is allocation is 002 and max is 433 and need is 431. By this I completed my program successfully. Thank you.